Welcome to Techstination. Joining us is Tom Dempsey, the founder and CEO of SylvanSport. Thank you for joining us, Tom.
Thank you. Glad to be here.
Interesting company that you have, blending design and technology with the great outdoors. I'll let you give us some background about the company first.
Yes, thank you. We in 2019 here, we're celebrating our 15th year in business, and we founded the company around our flagship product, the SylvanSport Go. And the Go is really a complete reinvention of the old school pop-up camper, bringing it into the 21st century and making it something that gear savvy outdoors folks would find compelling. It really is this crossover vehicle that blends or blurs the lines between technical outdoor gear like backpacks and kayaks and mountain bikes and traditional RVs.
And that is a very lightweight kind of camper that just about any vehicle can tow, right?
It sure is. Yeah, the Go is all aluminum, made here in our factory in North Carolina. It weighs just over 800 pounds. It can carry about another 800 pounds in cargo, so anything from outdoor gear to home appliances if you need to use it in lieu of having a pickup truck. And all that can be towed with virtually any vehicle out there. We even have a lot of Prius owners that tow their Goes with their Priuses.
Tow there goes. That sounds sounds like a slogan.
It should be, and the product name Go really perfectly describes what it's meant to do. It allows you to go, even at the last minute. You can be ready to roll very quickly and go enjoy
All
the
kinds of
outdoors.
options for that as well, including solar energy, etc., right?
Yes, many options that we've developed over the years, many of them with the input of our customers. We've got really thousands of happy customers out there over the years, and they've given us great feedback and ideas, and it's led to this community of Go campers with all kinds of additional fun support products that some we make and some others make.
You're expanding this year with a product that's not quite on the market yet, but you are in the pre-order stage for it. It's called the Vast. Tell us about it.
Yes, the Vast is something we really envisioned from back at the founding of the company, and only in the last few years have we been in a position to bring it forward. And it's just like we sought to reinvent the pop-up camper with the Go, we sought to reinvent the travel trailer with the Vast. So the Vast is a much more substantial vehicle with all composite construction, so hard sides and really comfortable interior with two full-size queen beds and a full bathroom with shower. The ability to carry all kinds of gear from kayaks and surfboards and canoes to bicycles and all that in a really, really lightweight package that can also be towed by most small to medium vehicles. So pretty exciting. It's a lot of new technology and a big leap forward for us.
What are some of the other specs here? What's the length of this?
The total length is right at 21 feet. And the length of the living quarters is just at about 15 and a half feet, so the interior space. And it weighs right at 2,500 pounds empty with a total gross vehicle weight of right at 3,000 pounds. So that's in the range of like a small to medium SUV in terms of a tow vehicle. As I said, it has a full kitchen, and one of the really unique features about the Vast is its patented kitchen can be used indoors with all complete functionality: stove, cooktop, microwave, sink, fridge, freezer. And in just a couple of seconds, the entire kitchen slides out and down to be used outside if the weather and conditions permit. So a ton of flexibility and functionality. And one of the things we wanted to make happen with the Vast is the ability to really break down the barrier between indoors and outdoors. So oftentimes we see an RV pull into a campsite and the campers open the door and disappear inside, never to be seen again. We feel like camping really should be, much more interactive with the outdoors. So the Vast has these giant window walls that open up and allow you to really blur the lines between indoors and out, while still having this really super secure shelter when you close everything down.
And you've got a bathroom as well, in addition to the more or less a full kitchen that can be used indoors around?
Yes, the Vast includes a full bath. It's got toilet facilities, a sink, and a really generous size shower that for the size of the trailer, the shower is just crazy. I'm 6 feet 5 inches tall, and I actually have plenty of headroom standing up nice and tall in the shower. So that is definitely one of its unique features, is the way we've designed the architecture of the interior. It's got just such generous space for a compact trailer.
Really, really interesting. Tell us about some of the other flexibility kinds of things that you've built into this, and what some of the accessories even might be.
Well, just like with our SylvanSport Go, we felt like the Vast it had some duties to fulfill in terms of being an adventure vehicle. And first and foremost, it has to have the most comfortable sleeping quarters you can imagine, and be very convenient. So it has, as a primary bed, it has a full queen size bed with our own custom mattress that's super comfy, that actually retracts up into the ceiling when not in use. So you can kind of leave the whole bed made or unmade and push a button and it's out of the way. It has an additional queen size bed where the lounge area, we call it, which is just a nice big cushy sofa-like seating area, sits. That can convert into another queen size bed. But it also has tremendous cargo carrying capacity. So the entire lounge system in the back can slide forward with this huge tailgate that opens up. And that area then can swallow up your bicycles, camping gear, all kinds of large items you might bring along. And we also felt like it's rather impractical to have somebody put kayaks or a canoe or paddle boards on the roof of a small SUV. So we developed a provision where the roadside wall, if you can imagine, has a rack system that allows you to load those type of things, big boats and kayaks, at waist high level. So it's really meant for carrying all your toys with you, having ultimate sleep comfort, and then the conveniences of a full bath and a full kitchen and all the amenities you would expect from a really high quality recreation vehicle.
And tell us, we mentioned that it's up for pre-order now. When you expect to be shipping, and tell us about pricing.
Yes, the Vast is a really high quality, all composite travel trailer. So no wood involved in the construction. Again, very high end components. We'll be going into production with it in the fall of this year, and we have quite a lineup of pre-orders. We are taking additional pre-order deposits at SylvanSport.com, and the Vast starts at $45,000 for retail, and the pre-order deposit is $1,000, and it's fully 100% refundable.
Very interesting. And as far as the power options in this, if people are going to spend long time off the grid, what do they need to know here?
Well, the Vast includes really the latest technology when it comes to power management and power generation. So when you're connected at a campsite, of course, and it's using shore power, as they say, it has all the features you would expect. It has compatibility with phenomenal solar systems to extend the usability when you're off the grid. It has the ability to be outfitted with multiple storage batteries, multiple propane tanks, and it is definitely set up to be very energy efficient, but also operate for fairly long periods of time off the grid.
And let's just touch on some of the other kinds of gear that people can find on the Sylvan Sports site, because you've really accumulated quite an assortment.
At SylvanSport.com, we believe that we really occupy this intersection between technical outdoor gear and recreational vehicles. And our motto is comfortable, convenient camping. So whether it's the Vast travel trailer or the Go camping trailer, or anything right down to our really cool Waylight, which is a very unique lighting device that retails for, I think, $45 on our website. But it's a super cool little light that has a directional light. It has a lantern for ambient light. It's attached to a walking stick, so you can use it to kind of navigate your way through a dark campground. It stabs into the ground for security when you want to place it at your campsite, but it also has this provision to use it as a marshmallow roasting stick. So just like all of our Sylvan Sport products, everything is multifunctional and everything is designed to make your camping experience comfortable and convenient. And that's what we're all about at Sylvan Sport.
And it's spelled SylvanSport. SylvanSport.com is where you head for more info. Tom Dempsey, thank you for taking the time with us.
Thank you so much, Fred. I appreciate having the opportunity.
Now this. Innovation. Hi, I'm Fred Fishkin, and I've been covering consumer technology for a long time, and it takes a lot to impress me. That's why I'm excited to tell you about the latest way to enjoy cooking in the great outdoors from my friend Patrick Sherwin and his great team at GoSun Stove. What if you could harness the sun to cook your meals anywhere you go, day or night? The GoSun Fusion arrives this summer using the company's tried and true reflectors and a solar vacuum tube to get you cooking without the mess of charcoal, heavy propane tanks, or smoke. And with an optional solar panel and battery storage, and the ability to plug in at home or on the road, you really can use the GoSun Fusion to cook anytime and anywhere. Want to learn more? Head to gosun.co and use the code TEXTINATION to save 10%. That's gosun.co.